Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 1. There are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. What is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? Right? Let us take what is the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students in the class? Let us solve first question number A. Question number A is what is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? Here it is given that number of girls number of girls number of girls is equal to 20 and number of boys number of boys is equal to 15. What is the ratio the number of girls to the number of boys? Therefore ratio will be number of girls number of girls number of girls to the number of boys to the number of boys number of boys. What is the number of girls? Number of girls is 20 and number of boys is 15, right? If we change into lowest term, that is by 5, 5 3 is 15 and 5 4 is 20, that is 4 by 3, or 4 by 3 can be written as 4, and this is the symbol of is to 4 is to 3, right? Therefore, the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys is 4 is to 3. If we write the answer like this, what is the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys? Therefore, therefore, the ratio of number number of girls to the number of boys to the number of boys is 4 is to 3. This is the solution of question number A. Now, question number B. What is question number B? Question number B is what is the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students in the class? Here we find that number of girls is number of girls is equal to 20, right? The total number of students. We have to find the total number of students. Total number of students. Total number of students total number of students is equal to number of girls plus number of boys, that is 20 plus 15, that is 35, right? Therefore we'll find the ratio of number of girls number of girls to the total number of students total number of students total number of students number of girls is 20 and total number of students is 35. If we convert it into lowest term, we divide it by 5, that is 5 4 is 20 and 5 7 is 35. Therefore it comes to 4 by 7 and you can write 4 by 7 as 4 is to 7, 4 this is to 7. Right? Now, what is the question? What is the ratio of the number of girls to the total number of students in the class? Therefore, the answer will be the ratio of, therefore, the ratio of, therefore, the ratio of number of girls, number of girls, number of girls to the total number of students, to the total number of students, number of students, total number of students is 4 is to 7, right? This is the solution of question number A and B. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.